Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to be going over our main image on our page, and I'll show you what that looks like here. We're going to go back to Fiverr. We're going to pick someone out. We need an image for right here. So this image here, I just plopped in something, but we're going to need an image for here, and then we're going to get rid of slide and view all products just because this is going to be a stationary photo. So what I've done here is I've just gone to try to find some images. So I'll show you what this looks like here. So this is the page I found, and this is kind of the look I wanted to go with. So I just wanted to find someone that had an image that looked similar to what I want. So what I've done is I've gone and grabbed 8 images of products that we sell here, and then we're going to make an image that looks like this. So all I did here was I clicked on this and I went to inspect, and then it's going to show me what this image size is. So now this is the whole image for just that one product. So I'm just actually going to go here and go inspect, and it is a 1365 by 466. So all I'm going to do now is go to Fiverr, and we are going to order a image. Let's let this load up. So now I want to go back to logo. I could even try banner, see if someone does banner image. Let's see if we can find anything here. I'm sure there's someone does something. So and it looks like I will do Shopify store banner, header, and slider image. So let's just click on this person really quick, and you can see what he does here. So let's actually go with him. It looks like he does some good work. Yeah, it looks like he does pretty good work. So this is kind of what we're looking for here. And I'm also gonna see if he will do this, live, love, and spoil. So I'm going to save this image really quick, and we are going to load this in. So let's go to here, and we will go to continue, one Shopify store banner with PNG and JPEG file. So let's go to continue. He's got a 5-star rating, so it looks like he does really good work. So let's see how fast he does this, just to make sure that we're getting someone that's pretty decent. So he does it in 1 day, and it's going to cost me $1.80. So we'll go to place your order, and we will upload all our images for him and tell him exactly what we're looking for. So so he wants banner size, theme name, banner text, product or model images that you want. So let's go to our shop URL here, and we'll just make this really easy for this guy. Here's our shop URL. Banner size, we're going to go with this banner size, which is a 1365 wide by 466 high. So we're going to go banner size is 1365 wide by 466 tall. Theme name is Venture. I don't know if he needs to know that. Theme name. And then we are going to go banner text. We want it to say live, love, spoil. So banner text at the bottom would be live, laugh, spoil. Something like that. Live, love, spoil. Let's go back. Live, love, spoil. Product or model images. So I'm going to add these images here. Go to our desktop. We'll open this up here. And then we'll grab all these images and open them. And we'll wait for those to load. So it looks like almost all of those are in there. I've included one example image of what I'm looking for. Thank you. Okay. This doesn't really matter, but let's just go to other. And we'll start order. Oh, right there, we gotta click. Okay, so all our images are in here. Let's make sure that they all loaded. Cool. Okay, hit start order. We've given him everything that he wants, and we will wait for him to submit that, and when he does, we will do another video. So we will see you in the next one.